Hey, what's up, guys? And this is a series of tutorial on SASS. I'm Rain. So in this tutorial, I'm going to talk about how to install SASS and why it is important when compared to CSS and why it gives superpowers to CSS. So now we're going to install SASS. Just click and it will navigate to installation procedure. And they give two kind of options, either in applications or command line. If you're new to programming or new to web development, just go and install the application. They provided a list of apps, so I prefer Koala and this application. It's a Windows based UI. Just download, install, and it will install all Ruby and Compass apps, and these for also less. And okay, and we'll go to command line procedure. For this command line, you have to install manually Ruby installer, which SAS has given the link. Just go and install it. They have given procedures, and if you Google it, and you will get the list of procedures on installing Rubies. And then after that, open command line and type this statement, and I already installed. So just press enter, it will install. Then after successful of installation, you can check the version of SAS by -v. So my version is 3.4.20, which is the latest one. And then this is the final installation, and it's over. Now you have to create a file. So just like create a new file and save it as my style.scss extension and save. And you have this extension. I'll delete the older one which I created. Now you copy the path of the folder path, CSS folder path, and then change the directory to that path. Now you have to type sas hyphen double hyphen watch watch and the file name my style.scss. So it's going to watch. If you change any, if you add any styles or anything, so it's keep on watching and it will compile it again. See, you can see this CSS style which has compiled. So I'm going to type body, oh sorry, body color fff. So it has changed detected to my style views. So this is how the SAS is working, the installation procedures. And the main thing is why SAS is important means it organizes the code. Not only organization, it's the most powerful for the CSS. So it's called preprocessor of CSS. It provides variables, functions, looping, conditions, and yeah. If you go to learn SAS, you'll find all the documentation which they have. Looping, partials, Mixins is very important, inheritance, operators, which makes CSS most powerful like a programming language. And it's a very good to learn also. It which has nesting. This is the nesting kind. Instead of writing like nav lia nili, so you can nest everything in one statement and you can compile it and it will give you these kind of statements. And mixins is like a variable which has which acts like a function. You can use it in anywhere in your SAS file, like giving different values, so it will provide this kind of output. And extend in inheritance, as we can see in programming language, it will inherit or extend from its parent or sibling elements. So there are operators like dividing, mathematical operators we can use. So I will teach you on these in later on tutorials. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I'm going to talk more about SAS in next coming upcoming series of tutorials, and stay tuned on this. Bye.